working with actions. First of all, what are the actions? Actions are the building blocks for designing workflows. On the right, we have a list of available actions, and if we want to find the action, just type the name, for example, show message, and drag and drop it. This green header means that it is a starting point. It is. To change action properties, double click on it. Here we have a message. For example, let's type good morning. We can also open the editor. Let's run it. At the bottom we can see list of available variables. It is populated once the package run once. Okay, let's have a look what else have we got. Every action parameter has a type. The type can be variable, static, invariable, variable, or calculated. Then let's set it to variable. And if we click on this button, you'll see the list of available variable, and we can say current date, for example. Current date. Okay. Click OK. And click OK. Let's run it. So here's our date. There is another way to edit list of variables, because what we can do, we can also combine them. So we can, for example, we can double click on this line and we'll see the editor, and we can type something like hello, today is current day. And if we run it, here's our message. Also, some of the actions has replaced variable parameter, so we can set it to true. It's very helpful if you have very complex text messages or email messages or scripts. Basically, when it is set to true, it will use the same behavior if the message was a variable. Let's set it back to static. Let's run it. And here it is. We also have number of environment variables. Usually the environment variables are used to separate the data from development and production. Let's have a look at them. The dialog is very similar. So we have like username, for example. Let's copy it and just paste it here. And we say false. Let's run it again and see what happens. Okay. Here's the username, including directory. Another very useful option type is calculated. Basically, what we can do is that we can write some scripts. We can use Pascal or Python. I have created very basic script to demonstrate how it all works, and that actually is the most flexible way of working with parameters. So here's our script. It should follow this format, so it's always return result, and we combined constant with function. Click OK, let's run it and see what happens. Okay, it worked fine. And the last thing I want to discuss is passing parameters between actions. To do that, we can use variable stub. So what we need to do, we need just to set enable to true. You can do it just by double clicking. And if we click OK, run it again, and we check the log. Here we have the list of variables updated during the action execution. So we set a message variable to this value, and this variable can be used to the objects or actions after this action is executed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.